Hi, welcome to Samim Group. Today we're gonna take a look at audio processor of UDC cards. Let's jump in. Audio processor is a unit which is be able to show our signals, some information about signals in shape of logs. Any audio signal will go through audio processor unit. It contains 16 in and out lines of data. These lines can receive data from analog in, AES in, or de-embedder. For processing audios, all of the audios must be in form of digital. Also, the outputs is the same. You can use analog and AES out and STI out as embedder. On the audio proc unit, we are be able to see some configs such as delay, gain, situation of cards, such as being mute or not, over level, or silence. That was for left channel, and there is same configs for right channel. Any input has two channels, contains left and right ones. Let's see what's inside input number 3. In using apply to all pairs, configs of pair 3 will be applied to all other pairs. Using apply to specific pairs, we can apply it to any specific pair we want. In this part, delayer gives us ability to apply delay on any line up to 10 seconds. Also, we have channels here, left channel or right channel. Using swap LR, we can swap the configs from left to right channel and the opposite. Here we have mute button. You can change tone to tone 1 or 2. Using tone generator, we can define our tone configs. That's it. You can see it easy peasy. Okay, back to pair 3. Also, we have gain. We can change the gain here. There's 4 options: silence delay, overload delay, silence level, and overload level. This part gives us the logs of silence delay, overload delay, and the levels of that. And it will give us the same thing as right channel. Okay, let's make some changes here. Silence delay to 10 seconds and silence level to 33 dBFS. It means if the level of silence is under 33 dBFS and the silence delay is over 10 seconds, it will give us the log. Also down here, we can change it to silence or overload. This is the options. Let's apply it. After that, we can see everything in the schema. That's right. That's it. For more information, you can check out our website at www.samimgroup.com. Have a nice day.